Hello student, my name is Padve Deepmala Arun, Department of Chemistry, RBNB College, Sirrampur District, Ahmednagar. Now, in a 12th Science Chemistry subject, the chapter number is 8th, Transition and Inner Transition Element. In this chapter, last lecture we also studied in a D blocks of elements, then transition elements. All the transition elements we will discuss about in a last lecture. Then in this lecture, electronic configuration we also discuss, position of D blocks elements and transition elements. Then all of these physical properties, chemical properties and atomic properties we also discuss in this last lecture. Now here today we are going to start the F blocks of element, in which also F blocks of elements we know that the S blocks of elements on your modern periodic table, the last row of the periodic table, in the down the periodic table, the last row is a F blocks of elements. The F blocks of elements, there are two parts. We know that first one is a lanthanides and second one is a actinides. We know that the lanthanides is a 4f orbitals. It belongs to the 4f series. Now second one is a actinide series. Actinide is it belongs to the 5f series. Today we are discuss about the actinoids series. It's a 5f series. Now duster. In which the actinide series, it's began to thorium, its atomic number is 90, and ends to the actinide series is a lawrencium, Lr, its atomic number is a 103. This is thorium to lawrencium. All of these 14 elements are present in a actinide series. All of 14 elements are present in the actinoids series, and it's also called as a 5f series. Now here the general electronic configurations of actinide series is n-2 f. Here is a f orbital in which 0 to 14 electrons are present in that f orbital. This is the general electronic configuration. Now n-2 f 0 to 14. Here is a n-1 d 0 or 2. Means in which the d orbitals there are only 0, 1 and 2. 3 means 1 or 2 electrons are present in that d orbital. Last one is a ns2. Here is a s orbitals and there are number of electrons present in 2 electrons are present in that s orbital. We know that the n-2 it's a anti-penultimate shell. n-1 is a penultimate shell. ns2 means it's a ultimate shell. We also discuss in a last lecture. In that time the lanthanoids we will discuss, and lanthanoid series we will completely discuss in that last lecture. What will be studied in the lanthanoids? We also studied in a lanthanoid series. It's a electronic configuration we also discuss in. Then electronic configuration, then properties of all lanthanoid series, physical properties, chemical properties and atomic properties. All of these properties we will discuss about in the last lecture. Today only actinide series we will discuss in this lecture. Now this is the general electronic configuration and electronic configurations of actonoid series. One by one we will discuss in this lecture. Now here is a electronic configurations of actinoid series, means 4F series, in which the 14 elements are present in that electronic configuration. First electronic configuration is started with the actinium to lawrencium. I will discuss in a one by one. First elements of this series, actinoid series, is actinium. Symbol of actinium is capital AC. Atomic number of the actinium is 89, and electronic configuration of actinium is random because of its atomic number is a 86. That's why it's a used in this series, or it's represented the actinoid series. Random is represented the actinoid series because its atomic number is 86. Now its electronic configuration is 5F0, 6D1, 7S2. Here is 5F0, 6D1 and 7S2. Second element is thorium. Symbol is a TH. Atomic number of the thorium is 90. Electronic configuration is random, 5F0, 6D2, 7S2. Here is a d orbital in which 2 electrons are present. Now next element is a protactinium. Its symbol is Pa. Atomic number of the protactinium is 91. Electronic configuration is 5F2, 6D1 and 7S2. Here is a F orbital in which 2 electrons are present, and d orbital, it's a 1 electron is present. Now next element is a uranium. At symbol of uranium is capital U, only capital U. It's a symbol of uranium. Atomic number of the uranium is 92, and its electronic configurations of the uranium is 5F3, 6D1, 7S2. 5F3, 6D1, 7S2. Now next element is a neptunium. Its symbol is a capital N and small p, and its atomic number is a 93. Neptunium, its atomic number is 93, and its electronic configuration is 5F4, 6D1 and 7S2. Now next element is a plutonium. Symbol of plutonium is capital P, small u, and its electronic configuration of the plutonium is 5F6, 6D1 and 7S2. The next element is a americium. Its symbol is A, capital A and small m. Its atomic number of the americium is 95. Atomic number is 95. Electronic configurations of americium is 5F7, 6D0 and 7S2. 7 elements in this sides. Then next one is a curium. Symbol of the curium is Cm. Atomic number of the curium is 96, and its electronic configurations of curium is 5F7, 6D1 and 7S2. Next element is a berkelium. Symbol of berkelium is Bk, capital B and small k, and the atomic number of the berkelium is 97, and its electronic configurations of the berkelium is random, 5F9, 6D0 and 7s2. Here is f orbitals, the number of electrons is 9. Now next element is a californium. Californium. The Cf, it's a symbol of californium. Its atomic number of the californium is 98. Atomic number of the californium is 98 and its electronic configurations of the californium is 5f10, 6d0 and 7s2. Now next element is a anstatanium. Anstatanium, its a symbol is a capital E, small s. Atomic number of the anstatanium is 99 and its electronic configuration is 5f11, 6d0 and 7s2. Now next element is a fermium. The symbol of the fermium is capital F, small m, and atomic number of the fermium is 100, 100, and its electronic configurations of fermium is here, the 5f12, 6d0 and 7s2. Next element is a mendelevium. Mendelevium, its a symbol is a capital M, small d, and atomic number of the mendelevium is 101. Its electronic configuration is random 5f13, 6d0 and 7s2. Next element is a nobelium. Its a symbol of nobelium is capital N and small o, and its atomic number of the nobelium is 102, and its electronic configuration is 5f14, 6d0 and 7s2. In this series, the last element is lawrencium. Its a symbol of lawrencium is capital L, small r. Atomic number of the lawrencium is 103 and its electronic configuration of lawrencium is 5f14, 6d1 and 7s2. All of these 14 electrons are present in the actinide series and it's belong to the 5f series, and that's why electronic configuration is started with the 5f, in which only 14 electrons are present. Now this is the actinide series, and in which most elements are found in a nature, they not found in a nature, and it's a man-made elements. The actinide series, in which 14 elements, those elements is a man-made elements. They are reactive. All of these elements are radioactive. Okay. The next lecture we also discuss in the properties, the chemical properties, physical properties, and all of these properties of the actinide series. Thank you.